Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce for customer service. Salesforce is a helpful tool that lets support teams manage customer questions, track cases, and respond more efficiently in one place. So to get started, sign in to your Salesforce account. So once you're on the dashboard, open the service section where customer cases and support requests are managed. So in here, you can view new cases, check customer details, and see previews interactions. So when a new case comes in, open it to review the issue, read the customer's message, update the case information if needed, and add notes to keep everything organized so that you can reply to the customer directly through Salesforce and track the progress of the case until it is resolved. You can also search the feature to quickly find customer records, past cases, and important information. So this helps save time and makes it easier to provide accurate support. And that is all there is to it. Salesforce makes it easier to stay organized and deliver better customer service. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.